I'm going to show you this picture. Can you tell me what's happening in that picture?
It's a ball sliding.
Okay. Can you make up a story about it?
It's a ball on a sled.
Okay. Anything else going on?
He's sliding down snow.
Okay. Can you read to me can you read to me this paragraph?
My wife and I were in the front of our yard one day when the newspaper boy came down the street on his bicycle.
Okay. So what's happening in this story?
The paper was coming down the street.
And how is he coming down the street?
On his bicycle.
And who's watching him?
No one.
Okay. Nobody's seeing him at this time?
Him and Dad's wife.
Very good. What is this?
A tie.
What's this?
A ring.
And what's this?
A watch.
What part of the watch is this right here?
Time.
Okay. Let's see. What is this?
Pen.
And what do you do with it?
Right.
Okay. Can you say this? No ifs, ands, or buts.
No ifs, ands, or buts.
Good.
But the king and queen were not happy. There were no little children in the house or garden. One day they found a poor little boy and a girl at their door. They took them into the beautiful palace and made them their own. The king and queen were then happy. The crown and the glory of a youthful life is character. It is the noblest position.
How's your speech different? I mean, is it just difficult to talk or what?
Slow and hard to understand.
Mm-hmm.
And it seems like I get winded quickly talking. And I can think what I want to say, but I can't say it.
You can't say it? Well, why don't you go ahead and try? The thing that we're interested in is getting this down so we can see what your improvement is. So you go ahead, okay? A little what? Chill. Okay, go ahead. You have trouble swallowing?
Ten is a monkey in the zoo who likes to annoy and often teases the other monkeys with a singing whistle. he blew the whistle till all the monkeys chattered angrily. One day, somebody gave him a mouth hardening. He tried to play it, blew on the wrong end. He blew hard and hard until suddenly, by chance, it blew in the right place. The loud blast made him drop the earring in frightened surprise, yet the monkeys looked very pleased for a joke and sin.
Where are you right now?
I'm in the service,
Are you?
yes.
How long have you been in the service?
I've been in the service for quite some time.
Have you? What branch of the service are you in?
We're in the Navy
Oh, wonderful. Where are we right now?
right now. We're
Mhm.
aboard ship.
We're aboard ship. How long
We're
have we
South Pacific.
How's the weather out right now?
Well, it's quite about right.
Is it?
It's not bad.
How's the journey been so far?
The journey has been pretty good.
Has it?
The next day, Jack had to go to the pound finer for his final ball, knife, reader, and sweater ball. Bess found in the pound that her doll carriage, pencil box, and roller skates. One might win her hat, doll, carriage, pencil box, and roller skates.
Okay, now let me ask you something. Tell me what you read, will you? What did you read just then?
What all you mean?
Yeah,
just what all in
just outline it for me.
It seems like it was a girl that was trying to get. She went enlisted in the Navy with her husband, and there was various ways he could get back into. He could get into calling. I don't know what you'd call it. A way of a status,
Yeah.
whereby they would be doing something religiously.
And this is what you just read to us, huh?